This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 197MB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 23 feet 5 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, spare tire kit, air conditioning, skylight, stovetop burner, smoke detector, refrigerator, LP detector, awning, carbon monoxide detector, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 197 megabytes is 4,095 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.